Hello coin collectors out there, welcome back to the Big D Coins channel. Now my previous video was about these coins right here. So if you're interested in the Canadian $1 coins, you can check that out. But this video is going to be about coins that are worth double the value. So as you can see underneath here, we have some Canadian $2 coins. So that's what this video is going to be about. If you're into coin collecting, this is the channel for you. What I do on this channel is share with you coins that are part of my coin collection and tell you what to look for in your very own coin collection. So these ones right here aren't super rare, but you might not have seen them. I live in Maine, so I kind of occasionally come across Canadian currency. But these ones right here are the $2 coins, also known as the Toonie. The nickname for the $1 coin that we looked at earlier is the loonie. So people were calling the $1 coin the loonie because it has a loon on it. And then these came out in 1996. So by default, they called it the Toonie. There's a polar bear on the back, so you couldn't really make much of a rhyme with that. Probably not in comparison to the loonie. So they first started coming out in 1996. Now these are some pretty cool coins. The most obvious feature of them is that they are bimetallic. So there's two different metals that go into, well, there's more than two different metals, but there's two different distinct kind of metals that go into these two coins right here. So it has a ring around the outside. That ring around the outside is made out of nickel, and the center of the coin is a aluminum bronze center. So it's two distinct metals here. So let's these ones on the left and the right, these are both commemorative coins that came out the same year, 52 to 2002. So we're going to talk about that later, but let's get into this one right here. Now, it's pretty cool that Canada has the $2 coin. Their $1 coin, I believe, is a lot more successful and more widely used than the United States dollar coins. It'd be cool if the United States switched over to more coins and less paper money, but most people use credit cards anyway, so not sure that would really benefit too many people other than people like you and me who are into coin collecting. All right, so when I'm going to read you some information from the Canadian Mint, which their website is mint.ca. So when introduced in 1996, the $2 circulation coin showed a portrait of Her Majesty the Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Canadian artist Dora de Pedre Hunt. This image of Her Majesty appeared on all Canadian circulating coins from 1990 until 2003. The iconic polar bear design on the reverse is the work of renowned wildlife artist Brent Townsend. So this is the Obverse, the Queen Elizabeth II right here. So this appeared on all Canadian coins subsequent to 1990. So we can kind of verify that and do a little kind of test based on some dollar coins that we looked at yesterday. So right here, the one on the right, is dated 1989. So that one has a different image, which is proper. This one right here looks like we've got the same image there. So what's the date on this one? 92. So that's right. All right, so let's flip it over and take a look at the reverse in case you haven't seen it before. That's the polar bear that everyone's talking about right there. So it's an iconic image of a kind of natural wildlife. So they encapsulated that on the reverse of the coin, which is pretty cool. I think the wildlife reverses are much more cooler than the United States coins that are generally out there, like the wheat ears reverse, not really cool. The Monticello reverse, nothing really exciting about that. The Roosevelt dime reverse, nothing exciting about that either. This one right here, it's got an animal, and I'm a fan of the animals. All right, so more specifics about this coin. This particular design and metal content was made from 1996 until 2003. Its value is $2 Canadian, which translates to about $1.61 in United States The highest year of mintage, obviously, was the first year it came out. There were 375 million of these made in 1996. In 97, the mintage really drops out. So if you're looking for one that might be more rare than another, 96 is the most popular year, so look for any other year if you get to choose one from like a coin shop. So in 97, there were only 16 million made. 98, 5 million. 99, it doesn't look like there were any produced for general circulation. 2000, none produced for general circulation. 2001, 11 million. 2003, 7 million. So those are the stretches from 1996 until 2003. Now the other coin that I showed in the intro is these two right here. Now, does anyone want to guess what the significance of 1952 to 2002? Well, you can probably tell it's a 50-year increment, and that 50-year increment is the 50th anniversary of the accession of Queen Elizabeth II. It's pretty crazy to think that in 2002, she had been queen for 50 years already. So she's been queen for a lot more now. If you're watching in 2018, she would have been queen for 66 more years. Hopefully my math is right on that. So you see the portrait of her right here. This is a portrait of her at age 64. It's the same portrait that you saw on the other one. If we flip it over, we see the same reverse design. Same reverse design with the polar bear. He is chilling out. So in 2002, 27 million of these produced. Now there are a few other cool commemorative $2 coins. In 1999, they came out with the founding of Nunavut. It's a commemorative coin to celebrate the Inuit people of Canada. In 2000, they came out with a Millennium Edition. The coin value of $2 appears on the Obverse instead of the reverse. Wow, that's a crazy change. It also features 3 polar bears. Wow, 3 polar bears instead of 1. And they switched up the $2 to being on the Obverse instead of the reverse. 2002 commemorative coin is the one you're looking at right here. 2006, they have the 10th anniversary of the $2 coin. Seems like an odd day to celebrate the 10th anniversary of a coin coming out. In 2008, they have the 400th anniversary founding of Quebec City, the first French settlement in North America. 2011, the Boreal Forest. 2012, the War of 1812. 2014, Wait for Me Daddy, inspired by the iconic photograph known as Wait for Me Daddy, which was taken on October 1st, 1940 in Westminster, British Columbia. In 2015, I'll just finish off these commemorative $2 coins. In 2015, they came out with the 200th anniversary of the birth of John A. Macdonald. The design features a portrait of Sir John A. Macdonald superimposed on a map of Canada. In the center, in the outer ring, are the dates 1815 and 2015. 2015 also came out with the 100th anniversary of the In Flanders Fields poem. That sounds like a snooze. In 2016, they came out with the 7th anniversary of the Battle of the Atlantic. In 2017, they came out with the 150th anniversary of Canada. The 2015 one sounds a little more interesting. It commemorates the 150th anniversary of the Confederation of Canada. The design is titled Dance of Spirits and shows a pair of paddlers dwarfed by a night sky alive in the ever-shifting movement of Boreal Boris, those northern lights. Thanks for the content of luminescent material in the ink covering the aurora. The coin is glowing in the dark. Wow, that sounds really cool. All right, so those are the special commemorative $2 coins. These coins right here are commemorative as well. These were introduced in 2002. All right, so I'll start to wrap it up. If you enjoyed this video, please do check out some of the other videos on my channel. I'm always interested in hearing what type of videos you want to see. Usually I do United States coins. Sometimes I switch it up in case I get a little bored of the United States coins, make it a little more interesting, a little more exciting for me to make the videos. I go north of the border to Canada and make some videos about those coins. All right, check it out. Enjoy. Best of luck coin collecting, everyone. Take care. Goodbye.